I forgot my thing at school. I have to get that if I really want to work on them on Monday. And when they did this, I felt kind of funny. When they signed off on my signed off on this one this time. It's like she put like September or wait. Yeah, they didn't even sign like for my band